the strongest fat belly burning recipe. Hi, this is Georgina Sagaro Chavez, alternative medicine physician. Today I'm going to give you one of those recipes that I've been guarding for like 20 years. I do give it to my patients that they pay me, but never give it away here in social media. But today, I feel like I'm going to do that. And hopefully everybody likes it and enjoy it and start applying it at least once a year, all right? So number one, we're going to go ahead and do something. First of all, we're going to drink enough water. What is enough water? Your body weight in pounds divided in two. If you're 200 pounds, 100 ounces of water daily. As you change your weight, you're also gonna adjust your water intake. That's number one. Number two, you're gonna drink warm water, warm to hot water. No cold, none of those things, okay? So you're gonna go ahead and drink warm water. The first cup of water that you're gonna get in the morning is gonna be with lime in it. So you're gonna get your cup and you squeeze the lime and you drink it. That's the number one thing that you're gonna be doing every single day for the rest 11 days. Number two, the rest of the water, what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab 2 granules of salt, sea salt, okay? Sea salt. Put it in the water and let it dissolve. And you drink it. You don't want to do it in all the cups. You're going to do it from time to time. For instance, during the day, probably 2-3 times. That's going to be good enough. All right? Now, this recipe change. I want that you follow a pattern. The pattern is 3 days, 2 days, 3 days, 2 days, 3 days. That's how it's going to go. Now, the first 3 days, you're going to be eating live food. What is live food to me? Well, it's soups. You know, you cook with the meat, you chop vegetables and cook. Please do not eat any raw vegetables. No salads in these 11 days, please. And in these 3 days, just use live food like eggs are okay to eat. Eggs are very easy to digest and it's wonderful because it has protein and it has a lot of nutrients in it. Soups are great. Soups are good. Meat included, yes, but it has to be cooked, the meat inside the soup, okay? Now, do not get any grilled stuff, fatty foods, junk food this time. Don't eat any of those things. They're hard to digest. So eat soups, smoothies, eggs, preferable, all right? So, and you're gonna be drinking your water. That's all what you're gonna be doing the first few days. And I forgot something. I have these that I always include it with my patients because this is part of the deal, okay? This one, you're gonna be taking it for 30 days, all right? This is gonna be 30 days. That's what I do give them to my patients. This is you take 2 a day and that's it. That's gonna help you to get rid of a lot of toxins out of the digestive system. I always use this one. So a lot of people use that with me. So I don't know what you have an option, but if you want to know where to get it, I'm gonna put, go to my bio and ask me or whatever you get in this recipe, you just let me know. All right, like I said, I do it with this, all right? So you'll be taking it for 30 days, this. All right, that's the colon cleanse from Empowering. All right, so that's what you're gonna be doing. The next 2 days, what you're gonna do, you're gonna get, this one is whey protein, all right, from Empowering as well. And you're gonna get 3 meals with this. It's gonna be also taking these 2 of them. And the rest of the day, you're gonna be just getting water. It's like a fasting with the whey protein, all right? Now, if you get hungry or you feel like you really need to choose something, because some people, they just, even if they're not hungry, they wanna choose something, what I let them do is get raw almonds. and you just can get two at a time. You don't cannot eat that much of that. Please eat it just like a snack sometimes, all right? So this is gonna be the next 2 days. You're just gonna get the protein shake, this, you water with lemon in the morning, water all day long, the warm water all day long with a little dash of sea salt. And if you get like a little, get the munchies, what everybody say, what you just get 2 raw almonds and chew it. That's basically what you're gonna do. So in the next 3 days, you're gonna do exactly the same thing that you did in the first 3 days. 3 light meals, this, the colon cleanse capsule. Then you're gonna be doing, getting your water, lemon with water in the morning, first thing in the morning, the rest of the day, entire day, just water with a little dash of sea salt, and it's gonna be warm water, all right? So the following day, the following 2 days, you're gonna go back to do this. Take 3 of these, 3 meals like this, 2 of these, the lemon in the morning with water, warm water all day long with sea salt, and if you have the munchies, you're gonna be adding like 2 raw almonds, and it has to be raw, okay? All right, so and the next 3 days, what you're gonna go back is to 3 meals eating light, 2 of these, the water with lemon early in the morning, and the whole day warm water with a little dash of sea salt. And that's basically the 11 days. From that point on, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go back to try to eat your normal daily food. Now, I encourage you from that point on to try to start making some changes in your daily diet, because try to get more into the healthier side of the coin, all right? So let me know if you have any questions or you're planning to do it. Also too, this one, like I say, I use these ones with my patients, and it's empowering CO, whey protein, they call it protein shake, and also this one is a colon cleanse. If you need any questions or you need to know anything about it, please ask me and follow me for more. And also too, let me know if you do that. Let me know what are your results, because 90% of the people they have done it with, and with patients, they all of them, they report flatten the stomach, and they never get it back that weight again. So let me know and comment if you have any questions, send it to me. Bye-bye.